Centaur mosaic. Unknown. The Centaur mosaic was found in the 18th century on the site of the sprawling luxurious villa complex near Tivoli that once belonged to the Roman Emperor Hadrian. The mosaic was found in situ along with other smaller ones that bore depictions of landscapes, animals, and masks. The relatively small central panel formed part of the floor decoration for the dining room in the main palace. The various individual scenes of these mosaic pictures bear depictions of wild, inhospitable landscapes that deliberately contrast with idyllic ones featuring animals living in harmony with each other. The dangers of the wild are portrayed in this mosaic in the dramatic struggle between great cats and a pair of centaurs, mythological creatures with heads and arms and torso of a man, and the body and legs of a horse. On a rocky outcrop that hangs over a terrific chasm that runs parallel to the bottom of the picture, a pair of centaurs have been pounced by great cats. While the male centaur has been able to defend itself successfully from the lion, the tiger has managed to bring the female centaur to the ground and is clawing her side. The male centaur rushes to his companion's side, rearing his legs in the air while holding a rock above his head. Undaunted, the tiger seems intent on not surrendering its prey, even though one lion already lies fatally wounded, bleeding, and with his claws retracted. The outcome of the struggle is anything but clear, because in the background we see yet another foe for the centaur, a leopard ready to pounce. While depictions in older Greek art tended to emphasize the bestial side of centaurs, later depictions increasingly focus on their human qualities. Lucian, a writer from the 2nd century, records that the Greek painter Zeuxis became famous for his painting of a family of centaurs, including the young. Similarly, Ovid, who lived around the turn of the millennium, wrote a moving verse of the death of a centaur couple. The extensive restoration work that was undertaken in the 18th and 19th century makes it difficult to date the mosaic with certainty. As a result, its dating ranges from Hellenistic to Hadrianic. There is broad agreement among scholars that the mosaic amounts to one of the most virtuoso works of Roman mosaic art, which was inspired by Greek works of art from the Hellenistic period.